fear not.
Fear not.
Sorry I'm late, guys, but fear not.
Fear not. I have concocted a gutless plan, which should do the trick.
Oh, trouble with the ladies, huh? Well, fear not. You've come to the right place.
It's my mother.
They hate playing hide and seek with me because I always find them. So, fear not.
Oh no, fear not, dear Sheriff. He will return, and when he does, he will wish to reward his faithful subjects.
I'm sorry I doubted you. Fear not, my child. Absolution will be yours.
Fear not, Giselle! I will rescue you!
Yeah, but who's gonna rescue?
That's too bad. We'd get there so much faster.
Fear not, my intrepid team, Smurf. I didn't earn this raft-building merit badge for nothing.
Why were you chosen to be like this? Well, fear not. For the answer to that is right here.
The brave Prince Charming approacheth!
Fear not, fair maiden. I shall slay the monster that guards you and then take my place as rightful king.
So you can believe me when I tell you there are monsters hiding amongst you. But fear not, for I am a professional.
Fear not. Everything can and will be explained. All mysteries penetrated.
Fear not, for you are found. You are home, and there is no going back. No one leaves this place.
Fear not, Theodora, for soon you will feel nothing at all except beautiful wickedness.